Mark and Paulette here, the two travelers in Mexico, and we are in beautiful Queretaro today. We've been here
since Thursday.
Now?
Yeah. Oh, we've been here, this is our third time. It's an area that I absolutely love. And we have 3 different friends that are here, so we're making it a journey to see all of them and, experience our love for Queretaro that we absolutely have.
And it is absolutely a beautiful city. We just keep coming back here. What more can I say than it's beautiful? There's a lot of interesting cultural things going on here. And so we'll just take you along for the ride. As maybe we walk and talk. If I can keep Paulette in frame.
Keep me in frame? Well, that's better than keeping me in line. Because that'll never happen.
Yeah. That's
For those of you who know me, you know I can be a spitfire.
Yeah.
So we're just having a great time.
So we're just walking through some of the beautiful streets here in Queretaro, and I'll point the camera ahead so you can kind of see what we're looking at.
You got it turned around.
And now we're back.
I'm not in charge of this video, he is, and I would be showing you that way as we're walking.
Well, there you go. I've received my orders. Take a look at this beautiful building. Not sure what it is, but it's beautiful. And they are, buildings like that are everywhere here in Queretaro.
Okay, so anyhow, this is our third time here. We came here in 2018, loved it. We're deciding on Queretaro or Morelia to live. Flipped a coin basically. Mark got his way. Ended up being Morelia. Although I think if it had been Queretaro, we probably would have bought a place here. A lot of the streets are nice to walk on, sidewalks I mean. Some of them are very narrow, very bumpy. But anyhow, we never did a video on it because it was 2018, and I think we came back in 2020, now it's 2022, so now we're actually going to do a video. Oh, you know what? We did a video, didn't we?
We did.
I remember that. Okay, never mind. I'm having a brain fart, senior moment, heat stroke, so never mind what I just said. There's ice cream in there. You would never know there's ice cream in there, would you?
Nope.
I would not know it.
Now this is literally a hole-in-a-wall ice cream place. Paulette may be contemplating getting some.
Well, when you're done videoing, we'll definitely come back for ice cream. Weather's pretty good here today. I'd say it's in the 80s, 84, 85, maybe. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. 82, 83, 84. And that's the other thing about Queretaro. Very narrow streets, as you can see.
Walking through the streets of Queretaro, we are just always amazed by the beautiful color, the architecture, as you can see here. Looking up, not sure what this building is called, but it's a beautiful sort of reddish orange color. Looking down the streets, more color, and yet more color. And then not to mention the wonderful cobblestone, or the cobble streets, not really cobblestone. What is it about Queretaro that keeps you coming back?
I think it's the architect, the beauty, I don't know what it is. I love it. It's something that you guys would have to experience. And like Mark and I've said before on our videos, every place is so unique in its own way. But Queretaro, this is our third time. It's just one of my favorite places to visit. Some places I go back only once and I don't need to go back anymore. This one I love and I have friends here. So it keeps me coming back, and it's growing like crazy. There's so much housing development that are in the hills, probably a half an hour, 35-minute drive from here. Just crazy building and population increasing. You can hear cars, lots of cars. There are narrow streets here, very narrow streets. But I love it. But I live in San Luis Potosi, and I love San Luis Potosi too. I can love two places, right?
Yeah.
Or three or four, maybe five.
2.
You know what, and I think that's the thing. I think everybody has their little favorite places. Like one of our friends here, Jonathan, he absolutely loves Guanajuato. Me, I've been there once. It doesn't matter to me if I go back again. We actually tried to go there last night, because there's a big festival that's going on, and then Day of the Dead's coming up. And it was crazy. We drove around under those tunnels for over an hour trying to find parking. It was ridiculous. So after that, we just gave up and came back to Queretaro. It was a 2-hour drive, but if you've ever been to Guanajuato, you know the thing about that is the tunnels. But my heart is here in Queretaro, not Guanajuato.
Here we are taking off from Plaza de Armas. In a circle around a little bit, you see the steeples of some of the churches, and it just gives you an idea of just how big this city is, really. It's pretty well spread out over quite a distance. Now we're looking back down, and we'll take you on a little air journey. These aqueductos have always amazed me, and this one in Queretaro is just amazing in its scope and size. Here we are flying over it, looking out over the city. Again, you can just tell just how big this city is. You see the new high-rise buildings in the background mixed in with the older buildings in the foreground. And now we are flying in the opposite direction, back towards Centro Historico. And as you can see, the city just spreads out in this direction as well. The Aqueducto is about 250 years old now, and still holding up very well. The view from the Mirador looking out at the Aqueducto and to the city at night is just spectacular. If you get the chance, you got to go and check this out at night. This is taken from the plaza that's kind of kitty corner to the Jardín Zenea. I just wanted to give you a look at this. There's a interesting statue in the middle, and it's lined with some really good places to eat. You can see this is where some of the tour buses take off from. some local vendors there. I love this shot. That's a San Francisco church, which is 400 years old. In the background, you saw those high-rise buildings representing a juxtaposition of the old and new, and beauty in both. And now we're just panning around to some of the rest of the city again, just showing you just the great expanse that Querétaro is. Really an amazing city with a lot to see and a lot to do. And here we are now looking down on Jardín Zenea, which is probably my second favorite jardín in Mexico, the first being Jardín Tequisquiapan in San Luis Potosí. But this is really a beautiful park. So we're just walking around, show you a little bit of a nightlife here on a Thursday night. This is a museum of Querétaro, and it's really pretty interesting. A lot of interesting artifacts, as you see here, and one half of the Two Travelers in Mexico, as you see there, more pottery, just some really beautiful stuff here. I highly recommend that you check this out too. It is again across the street from Jardín Zenea in Querétaro. Mark and Paulette here. We want to thank you for watching our video here in Querétaro. We'll be making a few more videos of Queretaro and the surrounding areas. So, you know, if you like what we're doing, we hope you'll subscribe. And thanks for putting up with my drone video, because I just bought a drone and I'm still a rookie flyer. So I'm not as smooth as some of the others, but I'll get there.
Yeah. So, as always, from the two travelers in Mexico.
What she did.
Bye, guys.
Bye.